So the plan is we're headed to Adaminaby. There's a road I want to check out that comes out of Adaminaby called Yaouk Rd or something like that. There's Mount Clear. So there's a road I want to check out called Yaouk Rd or something, Yaouk, whatever. And so the plan is to take Bobyan Rd from Mount Clear down to Adaminaby and then hook a right and head towards Yaouk, and I think it just does a loop and comes right back to the intersection of Bobyan Rd and Yaouk Rd, I think. So anyway, that's the plan. Your guess is as good as mine. No GPS. I checked the map before I left. I've got no map with me. We're just gonna figure it out. Let's do it.
Yeah, Wee Jasper.
Oh, you headed to Wee Jasper. Oh, so you're going this way? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I stayed the night just outside of Cooma.
Oh, where'd you stay?
Can't remember. It starts with N. It's only about 15 minutes out.
Oh. Campground, or is it a?
Sorry?
Is it a campground?
Yeah, it's a little town, but you can camp in the river there.
Oh, nice.
Got the -5. So I'm heading that way.
Fair enough. So just ran into Ray, man, that was cool. So Ray's headed over to Wee Jasper right now. So he's gonna check out that campsite from the previous video, the one I showed in that one. And yeah, it's such a beautiful ride. Ray's coming out of Nowra, so making the loop, and he's going the opposite direction I'm going in. How funny is that? Anyway, well, ride safe, Ray. We'll see you in the next one, brother. Wow, man, so cool. So that guy lived out here by himself. You just have to stop and think about what life was like in 1903. I mean, we think we have stuff hard, man. To build this place with your own two hands, to work these fields with your own two hands, you don't have this massive mechanical advantage and all this technology, just unreal. Anyway, Brayshaw's hut. So cool, and you can actually hike and you can camp there. Not camp, I guess it's for like backpackers if you need to go in there and start a fire and warm up. Anyway, very cool. All right, onwards and upwards. All right, so I'm at this little intersection with Yaouk and Bobyan. So I'm gonna hang a left down Bobyan, take that to Adaminaby, and then I think I can come back, I'm pretty sure it should connect, take this Yaouk Road, and then basically do a loop here back towards Canberra. Now we'll see how it goes. Home with a giant fish. Let's go get a coffee. Go have a look at the big fish in a minute, big trout or something, but made it to the cafe. Coffee. They got sausage rolls and they got, oh, you know what I got? I'll show you what I got. Ride down for the coffee and then get the chutney. Anyway, that ride down Bobyan Rd, that ride is dusty and there's a ton of construction going on right now, which is, it's okay because they pave out the road and everything, but sorry, it's not paved, it's not bitumen, it's dirt, but it's graded. But trucks flying through there, cars flying through there, so it's quite dusty. So I'm hoping, I want to take this Yaouk Road on the way back, and I'm hoping that's a better ride, because if you can give that a miss entirely, then yeah, I would definitely do that. I'd go around the other way and hopefully you can get a little bit more scenic ride, less trucks flying by and all that. But anyway, I think I don't know, it's about 40 minutes or something from Mount Clear, something like that. Anyway, it's not bad, and I'm just cruising, I'm filming and I'm cruising, so it's pretty good. So anyway, here we are, Adaminaby. I caught the big one. What do you do? Come down to Adaminaby, catch the big one. I love how you're just cruising along, you're filming with the GoPro, and then it just shuts off, and then just refuses to turn back on. I mean, I'm really starting to feel like GoPros are actually disposable. I mean, I've had to send in both of my GoPros now, and this is gonna be the second time that I'm gonna have to send in the other one. Is this a disposable product? So you just make a camera that can't withstand the rigors of what it's meant to do, and then you throw it in the bin. And then when you do throw it in, they just give you a refurb unit. They don't give you a brand new unit, they give you a refurb. And that refurb has whatever dramas and problems that it has. Anyway, whatever. Good on you, GoPro. That's the way, guys. Keep it up. Keep making those rubbish products. So if you're gonna buy one GoPro, you better buy two, because you know it's not gonna last very long. It's not like I'm banging this thing on the ground. You're just cruising along, just making a video, and it just shuts off. Whatever.
Some people got a good hand, never wondering if they can. But I've been fighting what I'm feeling, needing something to believe in. Oh, lift me up from the valley. Oh, lift me up from the stone. Oh, lift me up from the valley. Oh, lift me up, baby, let it shine. Get on up, raise your head and hold it high. Let it shine. Get on up. You are more than meets the eye, so let it shine. Are you ashamed of how you're looking, or afraid of their opinions? Well, I've been locked up in this prison, my head down low, as long as I'm living, yeah. Oh, lift me up from the valley. Lift me up, lift me up from the stone. Lift me from the stone. Lift me up from the valley. Oh, lift me up, baby, let it shine. Get on up, raise your head and hold it high. Let it shine. Get on up. You are more than meets the eye, so let it shine. Get on up, raise your head and hold it high. Let it shine. Get on up. You are more than meets the eye, so let it shine. Oh, lift me up from the valley. Oh, lift me up from the stone. Oh, lift me up from the valley. Oh, lift me up, baby, let it shine. Get on up, raise your head and hold it high. Let it shine. Get on up. You are more than.
Wow, that was amazing. So if you have a choice between Yaouk Rd and Bobyan Rd, and you're headed towards Adaminaby or towards, well, maybe not so much Cooma, because Cooma heads to the left, man, you've got to take that Yaouk Rd. It is absolutely amazing. You can see in the views through the valley and everything, it's stunning. I passed two big trucks, but otherwise that was it. Beautiful ride. Anyway, well, I'm going to head back this way, onwards and upwards towards Canberra. If you guys do get a chance to pass through here, man, highly recommend it. Anyway, ride safe, stay safe, get hard, stay hard.